Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be working with the Paper Pumpkin, April's Paper Pumpkin kit, the Lakeside Retreat. I'm also using some of the new products that will be coming out next month in the new annual catalogue, the new mini catalogue. We no longer have an annual catalogue. I'm using the Waterside Retreat Suite. Now this comes with some beautiful DSP in this set. It is a Waterside Retreat DSP 12x12, and in this whole suite there is a great bundle as well, which is called the Relaxing Waterside Bundle. So the whole thing is all water themed, creek, river, absolutely gorgeous. But I've taken the DSP and I've just actually fussy cut 3 of the fish, and I'm taking the stamp set that is part of the April Paper Pumpkin kit. I really love this set and I hope that you were able to grab it as well. It's now available in all markets. June's Paper Pumpkin is now available to purchase now, so yeah. Anyway, so I'm using that. I've got a piece of pecan pie card base. I've got Misty Moonlight and Very Vanilla, which are sort of coordinating colours in this suite. And we're going to start with our card front, or our card base. So we're going to do a little bit of stamping. Now in the stamp set there is some great sentiments. There's a rope stamp, a cat tail stamp, there is some birds, and lots of sentiments. So I've added the cattails down the bottom with some pecan pie ink, and then on our very vanilla base, I'm going to stamp some ropes along the top and the bottom. Now I really like this rope stamp set. It gives it a really nice little added feature. And one thing I will say, what I had in my head is a little bit different than what I ended up with. Where I'm stamping this happy birthday, I needed to stamp it up higher. But anyway, I obviously wasn't thinking as I was doing this. But the happy birthday has been stamped in pecan pie, and then Misty Moonlight for the dad, and then I'm going to add these 3 little fish underneath. Now I do bring in the linen thread to use as like the fishing line, and I've sort of added elements to this kit. Really I'm only using the stamp set, but the Paper Pumpkin kit and the whole suite in the new upcoming catalogue worked really well together. So if you'd like this Paper Pumpkin kit and you didn't get it, don't worry, there is a suite coming out that you will love if you loved this kit. Okay, so I'm also going to add little rope features to the ends there as well. This card is super simple. I did create it for my dad. He's a fisherman, a long-time fisherman. And I thought that this would work really well, and I was a little bit pressed for time as well, to be honest. I don't know, things are just catching up with me so quick that I turn around and it's people's birthdays, or I've got this, that and everything else to do as well, but it's all good. So we're going to layer up our Very Vanilla and Misty Moonlight, and then I'm going to wrap my linen thread all around, and then we can just start adding dimensionals to everything. Now this is also Tracy's Sunday challenge for this week, so if you have a chance to create a birthday card, or you've created a birthday card in the last few days, head over to my social media Facebook page and drop a picture of your card in the comments. We would love to see what you're creating for birthdays. I've actually got another card that I've got to share with you as well. I haven't popped it up yet because I haven't given the card out, and I don't want the recipient to see it before he receives it. So I'll be doing that hopefully in the next couple of days. It may be a little bit later for the challenge, but it'll be fine. Now I also want to tell you too quickly, with the Paper Pumpkin, Stampin' Up have just released the refill kit. So if you got April's kit and you would like maybe a little bit more of the cardstock, the die cuts, all those things, everything except for the stamp set and the block is in the refill kit, so you can actually purchase those now. And the 3-month Wonderful Scenes die, so this die set actually will coordinate with April, May and June's paper pumpkin kits. So that is available now too, and I highly recommend it. You'll see an alternative video coming out really soon for the April kit, and I'll be using that die set in at least one of those cards. I've got a couple of videos that I need to create using that alternative kit. So there we have it. I've actually popped up a few of those fishes. I think they might be trout, I'm not 100% sure, but it looks so good. Okay, and there we have it. Great, beautiful card, really nice masculine card, but you could change the colours around a bit. I'm just trying to see, I'm not sure what the embellishments were. They've obviously been put away somewhere else. But yeah, super fun. I also added a little bit of an inside to the card as well, and I just used what I had sitting on my desk. Sometimes this is a great way of cleaning your desk and, you know, not getting more supplies out, but I just used the leftover piece of Very Vanilla. I've got the matting of the Misty Moonlight, and we're just going to do a little bit of colouring as well, so a little bit of stamping. So as you can see, it doesn't fit in perfectly, but we're going to make it work. So I'm going to stamp some of those seagulls there, and I'm going to bring in that cattails, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, and stamp them down below with the pecan pie. I absolutely love how this card turned out. I hope that you did as well. Don't forget, you can purchase your Stampin' Up supplies in my online store. There's a link in the description of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit that subscribe button as well. I'll be back in a few days with another video, a video for my alternative cards for April's Paper Pumpkin, so hopefully you can come back and see that. And I will also have a new challenge on Sunday for Tracy's Sunday Challenge, so come and join in and share your creativity with that as well. Alright everyone, enjoy your weekend, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye!